Ever wondered how you could stay on track with your financial goals in the face of rising inflation rates and uncertain economic times? It's a question that, quite possibly, keeps many of us awake at night. In recent news, financial experts have outlined several tasks that can help maintain financial wellness, regardless of the economic climate. It all starts with mapping out financial goals. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve financially can make the journey less daunting and more manageable. Paying off debt is another crucial step. It may seem overwhelming, but tackling it head-on can provide a sense of financial freedom and open up opportunities for saving and investing. Let's not forget about reassessing mortgage obligations. With the ever-changing interest rates, it's essential to ensure that your mortgage plan is still the most beneficial for your current situation. Budgeting, although sometimes seen as tedious, is indispensable. It allows you to understand where your money is going and helps you manage your financial obligations effectively. Reviewing asset allocation plays a significant role as well. It's about ensuring that your investments align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Maximizing employer savings opportunities is another task that often gets overlooked. It's about taking full advantage of any employer-matching retirement contributions or other savings programs available. Preparing for tax season is a task that many dread, but it's necessary. It involves understanding the tax implications of your financial decisions and planning accordingly. Lastly, holding oneself accountable through regular check-ins is the glue that holds all these tasks together. It's about regularly reviewing your financial situation and making adjustments as needed. Remember, these are general guidelines and not financial advice. It's always best to consult with professionals to understand what's best for your specific situation. In other news, political financial powerhouses like the Koch network continue to influence the financial landscape. With plans to back a single Republican candidate in the 2024 presidential primary, the network aims to create competition among Republican contenders for its support and financial backing. This highlights the intertwined nature of politics and finance, reminding us of the importance of staying informed and proactive in our financial planning. To sum up, financial wellness and planning involve a combination of clear goal setting, proactive debt management, regular reassessments and check-ins, taking advantage of saving opportunities, and most importantly, seeking professional advice. Meanwhile, the financial landscape continues to evolve, influenced by various factors, including political decisions. Thus, staying informed and proactive remains key to financial wellness.